Wow, okay, this is a nice cord. It has that really good how to say it, it gives a more of a retro kind of feel. It has a minimalistic look. I know I'm not supposed to talk in this video, but I just had to. I'm so sorry guys, it's a very quick one. But yeah, over here you actually see the Nivå on the cap. Once you open it up, you have the beautiful earbuds. Now I went for the white color because it has the gold trim on it, rose gold to be specific. And yes, in the front you have the LED lights, and yes, you have the product specification and the serial number right here. That's that. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now.